Different ways of acting out words make the class more lively and the words more memorable.
Now we are going to play an action game. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. I'm clapping.
I'm clapping. I'm reading. I'm
reading.
I am catching.
I'm catching.
I am writing.
I'm writing. I'm eating.
I'm eating. I am sitting.
I'm sitting.
I am sleeping.
I'm sleeping. Now I'm looking picture. Then I do an action. Guess what is it? Okay? Yes?
Tree.
No. Yes?
Leaf.
Yes, it is a leaf. Very good. Now one, come here. Now look carefully. Okay? Yes?
Frog.
Is it a frog?
Yes.
Yes, it is a frog. Very good.
We can introduce new words and their meanings through real objects, pictures, actions and gestures. We have to build up vocabulary gradually, repeating and using the new words in many different ways and situations. Words are easier to remember when they are combined with rhythm and action.
Look here, student. What is it?
Mango.
Mango. Mango.
Mangoes.
These are
Mangoes.
mango. Mangoes. What is it?
Basket.
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 And do you know wind? Look there. Wind is blowing and branches are dancing. Leaves are dancing. Now, look here. It is a mango tree. And these are its leaves. These are mangoes. Here is a tree with its leaves so green. Here are the mangoes that hang between. When the wind blows, the mangoes will fall. Here is the basket to gather them all. You listen carefully. Here is a tree with its leaves so green. Here are the mangoes that hang between. When the wind blows, the mangoes will fall. Here is the basket to gather them all. Now, you say after me. Here is a tree with its leaves so green.
Here is a tree with leaves so green.
Here are the mangoes that hang between.
Here are the mangoes that hang between.
When the wind blows, the mangoes will fall.
When the wind blows, the mango will fall.
Here is the basket to gather them all.
Here is the basket to gather them all.
Now we all say together. Here is a tree with its leaves so green.
Here are the mangoes that hang between.
When the wind blows, the mangoes will fall. Here is the basket to gather them all. Here is the basket to gather them all.
Children learn more readily when words are used for practical activities. Here the children are making some clay models to add to the display table. They have been asked to make an animal, bird or insect of their choice.
Put it. Okay. Come. Put it snake.
The children are working together to make a picture of an imaginary garden. Children mostly enjoy stories and want to understand. Stories help children to listen and to make sense of new words. This same picture with the children's drawings of an imaginary garden was used as a backdrop for the story of Mithu and Mithi.
Students, look at the picture. Now, this is the garden of Raja. This is the beautiful garden. Here are ants, butterflies, birds, monkeys, snakes, all the animals are in the garden. Now, I am going to tell you a story about Mithu and Mithi. Come here. Yeah. And Mithi, his wife. Then. This is Mithu and this is his wife. His name is Mithu and her name is Mithi. Come on, Raja. This is an angry king and his guard. This is Raja's guard. This is Mithu, his wife Mithi. This is Raja's garden and this is Raja's guard. And this is Raja. Okay. Every day, Mithu and Mithi were going to Raja's garden for playing and eating the fruits. They were playing in the Raja's garden and eating sweet fruits, mangoes, papayas. Suddenly, one day, the Raja's guard saw him eating mangoes and caught him and took to Raja. Here Mithi was very sad. She thought, where is my Mithu? Where is my Mithu? God took him to Raja's palace.
You thief, you ate all my mangoes. Now I will eat you. Help, 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 help. No help, no help.
here Meety waiting and waiting. Then she went to the garden. Then she went to the palace.
Me too. My love, me too. Where are you? Meety, I am in the Raja's stomach.
Then she went to Raja. She went to near the Raja's nose. And she tickled the Raja's nose. She tickled the Raja's nose.
Stop, catch him. Garda, catch him. Stop.
Now king is sad. Do you like story?
Yes.
Words need to be used again and again in different ways. Through rhymes and songs, through models, through picture making, through drama and stories. It's very important to revise vocabulary so that it can be quickly and easily recalled. The following games encourage whole class active participation.
Now we are playing another game, volleyball, but there is no ball. We are playing group game. Every group tell me one word about particular topic. So start the game. Garden words.
Grass.
Stone.
Tree. Monkey. Mushroom. Parrot. Rabbit. Birds. Parrot.
Parrot. No, this group is out. So 3 groups remain.
Start. 1, 2, 3.
Next tree. Road. Snake. Coconut tree. Next rose. Fish. Bubble tree.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start.
Mango. Coconut. Banana. Apple. Chiku. Pomegranate.
Oh, banana.
Now we are playing an interesting game. Add one more. For example, I tell you about the words school. First, I say table. First group say table. Then another say table and chair. Then third group say table, chair and chalk. And then fourth group say table, chair, chalk and students. Do you understand? Yes. Now we are playing the game about name of the fruits. Fruits. First group say
Chalk.
about fruits
Apple.
name. Yes, very good. Apple.
Apple and banana.
Apple and banana. Then
Apple, banana and grapes. Grapes.
grapes. Very good.
Apple, banana, grapes and orange.
Yes, very good.
Apple, banana, grapes, orange and
Yes.
jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Yes, very good.
Apple, banana, Grapes, orange, jackfruit, and pineapple.
Pineapple, yes, very good. You played very well. Now you all of say this word together. Apple, banana, jackfruit, pineapple, apple, strawberry, cherry, jam.